Hey guys, Tashi Delek everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I have something amazing to show you what I got from YouTube gift. Tan-ta-da! So this is the silver button, so when you cross the 1 lakh subscribers, so we got this. So it took me a long time, but finally I got this. I'm so happy and I'm so thankful for you guys. Because of you guys, so I get this amazing gift. So thank you so much for everyone. And let's open this how it looks inside. Okay. So it's just a symbol like a box like this. And let's see inside how it looks. Ooh. Wow, wow, wow. Good job, Sim Sim. Okay, and top on here is this one black form. I think this is form. It's called maybe. I'm not sure. And I got one paper. There's many written. Do you remember your first subscriber? I don't know. Sorry, I don't remember who's my first subscriber. So. But all subscribers, I just want to say thank you so much. There's many things I don't know how to read, so leave it. And second thing, there also another small card. And we got finally, this is the main part. Tan-ta-da! Here. It's written here, it's my name. Present to Dickeydol recipe for passing 1 lakh subscriber from YouTube. Thank you. And backside there's 2 hole we can hang. It's like a photo frame. You can keep like wherever you want. You can keep it. And inside the middle of inside there's like a mirror, small mirror. You can see here. Here is the mirror. I can see my face. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna thankful for YouTube member. So thank you so much for giving such a beautiful and wonderful gift and giving such a good platform for us. Second thing I would like to thank to all supporting my viewers and my family members and my friends and all who support me, who love me. I just want to say thank you so much from my bottom of my heart. And it's not only my gift, actually it's your also. And also my friends giving me 1 lakh subscriber. After 1 lakh subscriber, they giving me a special party for me. And I just want to say thank you so much for giving such a beautiful party and beautiful moment. I really enjoy and I really fun. And if you want to watch that video, I will just show you some short video here. And it was so fun, you guys. Please watch my other channel. And one more thing I forget to tell you, I just opened a new channel. Actually, it's not new actually. 1 year before I opened that channel, but I can't be continuous that channel. So I thought now I will be continuous that channel also. So here I will be uploading only recipe, and that channel I will be uploading like a vlog and many things. Not only vlog, many things will become. So please go and subscribe and like, share. And see you in next recipe. Bye bye. Don't forget to my new channel.